Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is February the 14th, and I wanted to show you my Athenia impatiens seedlings, and here are some of them. I have more elsewhere on my growing cart. So, I wanted to give you an updated video on these. They did sprout for us, and the ones I did in the seed starting mix, they sprouted as well. And I had found some other varieties, so I planted them too. And now they did not start getting their true leaves yet. So when they start getting their true leaves, I'm going to start feeding them with Miracle-Gro all-purpose water-soluble plant food. And I do a 1/4 teaspoon to a gallon of water and mix it up really good, and then I feed my seedlings with it. Now, impatiens do not like any type of cold whatsoever. So they don't like cold water, they don't like the cold wind, they don't like cold weather, period. So you want to make sure that the water that you water your seedlings with is nice and room temperature, and you also want to make sure that your plant food that you're going to be feeding them with is room temperature as well, because you will shock them if you use cold water on them. So when these start getting their true leaves, I will start feeding them, and as they continue to grow and develop, I'll come back with more videos and I'll show you them what they look like. So if you like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.